Welcome to Buzzy, an AI-powered instant app platform. Buzzy lets anyone create fully functional apps and websites in minutes with no code. To get the most out of Buzzy, it's important to understand the Buzzy process. AI gives you a massive head start and can save a ton of time, but it can only get you so far. Depending on your own circumstances and skill set, you may choose to start with a custom app design in Figma first, and Buzzy AI can help you turn that into a real working app. So what's the Buzzy AI process? First, kickstart with AI. We can use Buzzy AI to turn a simple prompt into a basic app. Secondly, enhance with Figma. Take your app into Figma and use the Buzzy Figma plugin to refine your app design, functionality, and flows. Lastly, extend with code. Here's where you add advanced features, integrations, and more. At each stage, you're working directly on a fully functioning app, meaning you can test ideas and workflows on the fly. In this Getting Started guide, we'll give you an overview of both approaches, either starting with an AI prompt and developing your app that way, or diving into a Figma app design via the Buzzy plugin first. Ready? Let's start with creating a new app via AI.